Welcome! If you want to know exactly when someone has read your messages on Messenger, turning on Read Receipts is the way to go. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable Read Receipts, so you can stay on top of your conversations and never miss a moment. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. Once you're in, look for the chat where you want to turn on Read Receipts. Tap to open that conversation. At the top of the chat, you'll see the person's name or their profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up that person's profile and the chat settings for your conversation with them. Now, scroll down through the options until you find the section labeled Read Receipts. It might be under Privacy and Support or a similar heading, depending on your version of the app. Once you spot Read Receipts, tap on it. You'll see a toggle switch next to Show Read Receipts. If the switch is off, simply tap it to turn it on. That's it. Read Receipts are now enabled for this chat. From now on, you'll be able to see when your messages have been read, and the other person will also know when you've read theirs. Keep in mind, turning on Read Receipts means both you and your chat partner can see when messages are viewed. If you ever want more privacy or decide to turn this feature off, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch off again. Enabling Read Receipts helps keep your conversations transparent and ensures you never miss an important reply. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your more connected Messenger experience.